Welcome everyone, it's Rhonda here from Nelson Soapery. Today I thought I would do this short video just to show you all that we are about to launch our Patreon. So our Patreon is quite different to our normal YouTube. Our normal YouTube will be exactly the same, but the Patreon will be a little different, where we'll be able to give you some background scenes, behind the scenes, how we label, how we make the products, how we've actually launched ourselves, how we've become successful, and our journey from the start to the beginning, and of course lots of tips and tricks in between, because let's be honest, that's what we all need as business people. So, I didn't start as something big. I started as a very small person at home in my kitchen, and now we do have a studio and we ship all around Australia and different parts of the world. So hopefully by joining our Patreon, you can see exactly what we're doing and join in on our little community and fun. We'll also have lots of things about the Australian Soapery and Candle Conference, because if you don't know, we actually own that. We're the owners and creators of that, so that we can create community, fun, and to make people successful within the bath and candle industry. That is our absolute goal. So if you want community and you're really interested in that, come over to Patreon. For $10 a month, you'll be able to see almost everything. For the $50 a month, you will get a monthly box once a month of things that we're making and a little bit more information as we go along. But if you would love to join our Patreon, please come over and join us. And if not, then please stay on our YouTube, because we absolutely love talking to all of you and making all of you hopefully successful, because that is my absolute goal. Anyway, I hope you have loved this video, and it's a little bit of a teaser just for our new Patreon that, like you all know, is about to start very soon. So log over there and you can join, and hopefully we can give you some mentoring tips and make your business as successful as we've become over the last 3 years. Anyway, thanks so much for listening. See you soon. Bye.